Okay, so guys, if you're also using a custom room on your device, for example, Lineage OS or any kind of custom room where you don't get Google Apps pre-installed, which means Google Play Store and Google Play services, how you can get that? You can already flash Google Apps from the custom recovery from OpenG apps, BitG apps, NickG apps. We have many options available for you, but now we have something different. We don't need custom recovery. We must have Magisk installed, and the best part is you can uninstall the Google Apps if you don't need them. That's a very good thing, and after a long time we got this thing on our device. We have this package available which I have installed, Magisk G apps core version. Maybe if I'm not wrong, it's only about 76 MB, so you can try out any other package also. I will provide you the link in the description for all the supported packages. You simply need to install this as a module in your Magisk. In my case, I'm using the latest Magisk version 23.0. You can use any other Magisk version also. It's very easy to install Magisk. I made a video on that how you can install Magisk on your device, the latest Magisk version. So make sure to check out that video if you don't know how to install this. But how to install Google Apps, which matters a lot, as I previously mentioned, that if you want Google Apps on your device, just move here, click on install from storage, select this file Magisk G apps core version, which I am using here. Just click this. It will take some little bit of seconds here to install these Google Apps on your device, and in my case I'm using it on Android 11. As far as I know, it's only compatible with Android version 11 yet. Not sure about Android 9, Android 10, but in Android version 11 it's supported, and in my case it's just working perfectly fine. One of the best part is, as I previously mentioned you, it's very easy to uninstall. If you don't like these Google Apps, if you want to try out any other package of Google Apps, then it's very easy to install and uninstall. This is why I chosen this thing, and this is very comfortable. If you're using any kind of ROM which don't come with which doesn't have these kind of Google Apps pre-installed, then it's very good. After installing this, you can simply reboot your device, and then you will see this Google Play Store on your device as installed, and it depends upon which package you are using. If you're using the core package, you might only see the Google Play services and Google Play Store, but if you use any other package, you might get some other Google apps also which you already know about. And I tested it on my CR Droid custom ROM. You can try it on other custom ROM, and as I previously mentioned, if you want to uninstall, you can simply click on remove and reboot, and the Google apps will be uninstalled from your device if you don't need them. All credits goes to its developer. This is all from today's video. As I previously mentioned, the link is in the description. So this was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.